Happy holidays. Hey, everybody. It is Lameel, the money goddess. And we were having a bit of an issue with our client portal just the other day. So, as a result, I have some really great surprises for you. So, as you may or may not know, if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe, hit the bell, make it ding so you get notifications on all the new videos. I have several different playlists. This one you're watching is Wealth Empowerment, which is all about building wealth and your financial situation and creating the financial future that you deserve. And there is our alignment money, manifestations and money. And that's all about manifesting money and the life that you desire. And then there is Lameel Magic, which is about sex and magic. And if you're new, that would be sugar. And then my last playlist is about pure love, and that is really about high vibrational living, which is something that's required for manifesting and living your best life. So that's kind of how they all play in together. But anyway, our client portal was down for like a day and a half, and I was doing a giveaway, 12 days of manifesting Christmas, and there was a giveaway every day and a discounted item, whatever the giveaway was, it was then discounted for everybody. So because a lot of you missed it, because a lot of you couldn't get through, and because of that, I did not put it here on YouTube, especially for the last day. It is here for you now. So as long as this video is up, you can take advantage of these sales. So I'm going to explain to you briefly, because if you are new, you may not know, or you may not have heard yet, that Lameel.com used to host all of my financial courses, and they will be moving to wealthempowerment.com, and Lameel.com will just house the manifesting courses. So when we make the move, we have some awesome new packages that we're going to be offering that, oh my God, they are everything and some. And you're going to hear a little bit about that later on today. I think that video should be released. Sugar. So, these two courses, the Clear Credit course and the Get Credit course, Clear Credit is $60, and really what that is, it is all the basic letters that you need to clear your credit yourself, right? And it tells you which letters to send for which scenario. So you get all the letters, plus you get unlimited email support with that, so that you can have some level of guidance. Get Credit is the program that you can use if you have a CPN, or you have a you're doing it on your social, your SSN. You can use this program for either, but it shows you how to get up to $17,000, actually even more than that with the shopping cart scenario, but it shows you how to get up to 17 grand in guaranteed lines of credit in your name. And here's the thing, this gets updated a couple of times a year. So say you get it and maybe you knew about one, you didn't know about the others, you use them, and then come February, we find another really great reputable company, you're going to get that information too. So you're going to always know. The good thing about the Clear Credit course is that you're able to clear your own credit, but if something were to pop up, something happens, people lose their jobs, get sick, have babies, whatever, and something ends up back on your credit report, having these letters at your disposal, do not jump up there, sugar, having those letters at your disposal and knowing what to send and when will help you get those things off of your credit report really, really fast. So that's the benefit. This is the discount. Mind you, these courses are upwards to $288 a piece. and they are yours for the day and for as long as this video is up for $60 and $65. More than likely it's going to be up for the next 24 hours. So if you're interested, just text my support staff at 571-445-0578. Um, Also, just if you're already a client of mine, know that this number is going strictly to tech support, and in the new year, client appointments will not be held on this line. So it is strictly tech support, but anyone who answers will be able to send you a pay link and get you in those programs, and then that is where you can go to get support. If you have questions, you will be able to log into the client portal, send us emails, or if it is a quick question, you can always text and support will be there for you. Most of the day, usually from 11 a.m. Eastern time until about 10 p.m., there is someone available for you 6 days a week. So love you guys. Happy holidays. Let's get one last hurrah in and get your credit fixed right.